Today I'm going to talk about TPS Customer Support and Services. I walk you through how we ensure that our customer get the most out of their mixing system, from installation, training to ongoing assistance. At TPS, we believe that a great mixing system is not only part of the equation, ongoing support is just as important. Our approach is simple. We provide detailed, in-depth support right from the very beginning. Every customer engagement starts with a thorough discussion where we listen carefully to your process needs. Often a customer's initial idea doesn't quite match the actual requirements. So we work closely with you to tailor a solution that fits perfectly. This means clear expectations up front, ensuring that there is no surprises after installation. One of the unique aspects of our support is our TPS Innovation Center in Denmark. Here customers have the opportunity to test their formulations before committing to a full-scale project. This hands-on testing facility, combined with our detailed contract specification, guarantees that every aspect from product performance to mechanical requirements is clearly defined before we proceed with installation. Our commitment to customer support extends beyond the initial sales. TPS develops our high-shear mixer technology in-house, but we also partner with globally recognized engineering suppliers for other process components. This strategic collaboration means that if any subcomponent needs replacement, you can access premium quality parts locally without having to wait for TPS shipments. Locally, availability of spare parts reduces downtime dramatically. In fact, if a part isn't immediately available, you can often temporarily use compatible components until the official replacement arrives. I'm also very proud of the simplicity of our system design. Our TPS system don't require special tools for maintenance, meaning you can use your existing toolbox to service our high-shear units. This design philosophy makes maintenance faster, easier, and more cost-efficient compared to competing products. Training is another cornerstone of our customer support. We offer 2 training options to ensure you can operate and maintain your equipment with confidence. You can opt for factory acceptance testing, FAT, at our workshop, where you can see equipment tested and validated before delivering, or choose on-site training during installation. In our on-site session, our engineers work hands-on with your team, guiding you through dismantling, servicing, and reassembling the system. This approach not only equips you with the technical know-how, but also removes the learning curve, ensuring that your operators feel comfortable and confident using our advanced technology. And our support doesn't end once the equipment is installed. TPS offers ongoing remote support almost 24/7. If you ever encounter an issue, you can simply video call one of our engineers using your smartphone. Show them the problem in real time and receive immediate expert guidance. This real-time troubleshooting helps minimize downtime and ensures that even if shift changes, every operator has access to the support they need. Lastly, I'd like to highlight our focus on serviceability and maintenance. Our high-shear units are designed to be fully dismantled and serviced in just 1 hour. A stark contrast to competing products that can take 8 to 10 hours. This ease of maintenance is one of the major reasons customers choose TPS, as it means less downtime and more continuous production. Thank you for joining me today to learn about TPS Customer Support and Services. I hope these insights give you a clear understanding of how we work closely with our customers. From the very first discussion through installation and training and beyond, to ensure you get the maximum benefit from your mixing system. If you'd like to learn more, please visit our website or connect with us on LinkedIn. Until next time, keep pushing the boundaries of what is possible and strive for excellence in every aspect of your work.